Dipalopalo tsa mo Gauteng di tswelela go nna tlhobaboroko. Fa diphaposi dingwe tsa balwetse ba COVID di le gaufi le go tlala, dingwe di tletse thi mme se se baya badiri ba boitekanelo mo tlase ga kgatelelo. Mme jaanong thuso e mo tseleng.
After the conversation with the President and the Minister of Defense and military veterans, we have requested additional capacity to assist Gauteng in terms of military help that has moved into the province to assist us swiftly. What this will do will be able to release the capacity of the beds that have been held because there were no human capital. So they will assist us in terms of moving into the hospitals, into the areas where we need healthcare practitioners to assist us in managing.
Molelo o lakaitseng bookelo jwa Charlotte Maxeke ka Moranang o bakileng gore setheo se se tswalwe dikgwedi le pedi o bakile kgatelelo e seng kana ka sepe.
We can now confirm by next week the oncology side at Charlotte Maxeke will be handed over to start operating.
Afrika Borwa e letse amogetse meento e mengwe gape e le dikete di le 3 mabane e yang go enta barutabana le badiri ba kwa dikolong.
We will immediately start rolling out 2 programs and followed by others. The first one is the education sector. Altogether in that sector, there are 582,000 people. That's the public and the private basic education sector, including all those employed on Purcell, the SGBs and the private educators. The second major program that is now in an advanced stage of planning and will roll out pretty much immediately upon completion of the teachers is the security cluster, starting with the police services, which planning is in an advanced stage.
Go dipupuo tsa gore Afrika Borwa ga e kgathale ebile ka bo e rekile meento e mengwe me ba itsanape ba re tshekaseko ya seo ga ise konosediwe.
They are still submitting some of that data, so we don't have all the data that's required for a complete review yet. So that's Sputnik. Sinovac, similarly, when they first applied, we needed more data. And so there's been ongoing dialogue with the Sinovac applicants, as with the Sputnik, in fact, as with all the applicants for these vaccines.
Afrika Borwa e solofetse go amogela meento ya Pfizer e feta milione phegalwana 3 fa kgwedi eno e ya bokhutlong.